Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to remove minimum order on Temu. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and log into your Temu account. So if you want to remove the minimum order restrictions on Temu, so we're going to do log into your account and then go to your U tab here and then go to your contact option here, the support option on your top right. So simply click on it. And once you click on it, scroll down and you'll see an option called contact us. Click on contact us and then type in saying remove checkout limit. So type in remove checkout limit. So once you type in the remove checkout limit, you'll get with this prompt here. So what you're going to do, you're going to choose no, I still want to remove the order limit. Hit on it and then you'll get to this confirmation here, like please click the button below. So hit on remove the restriction option, click on it. So once you click on it, and that's it, your minimum restriction will now be removed. So all you have to do is click on continue to checkout and then you can go to checkout and then now order your make any order and complete the checkout and pay for it. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.